I would like to take this opportunity to welcome the band Europe to our state of Meghalaya and especially to Garo Hills. And as I was telling Joey last night, that we have all grown up listening to their songs, and it is nothing short of a dream come true for many of us, not just our state of Meghalaya, but the entire northeast region has a very, very strong influence of rock music, especially from the 80s and 90s. And you will see today that we have a large number of your fans from the entire country, in fact, who have landed up here in our small location of Jingjal in Garo Hills in our state of Meghalaya. So we are very happy, we're very excited, and would like to thank the band for making it here, the organizing committee for taking the initiative to make this happen, our Honorable Minister in charge tourism, who has led the entire exercise and made this possible. And yes, we're looking forward to a really an exciting and wonderful evening, and really I can't wait for it. So really, so we're all excited. Thank you so much once again.